Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to edit a glossary entry in Deepl. Let's find out how we can do it. First of all, you need to go to Deepl, go to login into your account, and basically don't be on translate files. In this case, be on the actual Deepl translator. So once you are here, you're simply going to go to your glossaries here. As you can see, I have one already. So I'm going to go and click on manage glossaries. And here, for example, I have this glossary that I have created already. So to edit it, as you can see, I have the limit of maximum one glossary at a time. Since I have a free version, not the upgraded version, in case you would like more, then you should upgrade your account to the premium version. Now, what should we do? In this case, I have this glossary. For example, I want to edit it. Simply just click on this pen tool here, as you can see. And just like that, I'm going to choose to change it. So English to French, I'm going to change it to green door, for example, something like this. And simply, as you can see, so once you actually translate your book or something like that, because you need to translate a book or something like that, green apple here. So once you translate your book or anything like this, it will be changed to basically the word that you have chosen. So it's very simple and easy. As you can see here, it should be like this for now, but once you actually go through it, once you actually go to your book and translate the files, this should be added to that file as the word that you have chosen. So it's not really that complicated. Here we have chosen this glossary to be ours at the moment. So let me just go back. Here we go. Let me just go back here. So unfortunately, with the free version, you can only have one glossary at a time. But in general, yeah, it works the best, but it's not really enough for some people. So for those who want more type of glossary, then you have to upgrade your plan to the premium version. But yeah, this is how you can edit it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.